Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download Apple Maps for offline use. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the your iPhone, iPad or Mac and open the app Maps. And then here you can see that we have the search bar where you can go and search for locations where you can go. We have your profile in the right side of the screen, your favorites where you can go and add your favorite locations, and recents. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and download Apple Maps for offline use. So first of all, use the search bar to find an area you want to download. So go to the search bar and click on an area here that you of course want to download. Then when you click on an area, for instance this one, when you click on it there, then you can go and tap download button if it's available. If not, then tap more and then download map. You can adjust the size of the map area you want to download by pinching the zoom in or out. Tap download to start the download process. The app will show you find the file size and storage space required. Once downloaded, you can access the offline map even without an internet connection. This feature is especially useful when traveling to areas with limited or no cellular coverage. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.